Hello student, welcome you all in School of Smart Kids. In 8th class, last day we discussed about that four girls, all that girls decided for surprise planning for their mother, how they are different from each other, and what type of binding of love between all that girls. We just discussed about. We see here, how was she react like a Joe, how she react like a leader of house, how they are responsible for their work, how they have love between each other, how they love their mothers, and how they love to each other, how they handle all that household duties after their father. We just discussed about their responsibility and what they plan for their future, for their mother, and how they react like they don't have an idea about that. They don't want to show that they don't want to show to their mother that they are planning surprise for her. Okay, just continue for next. Let mommy think we are getting things for ourselves and the surprise her. We must go shopping tomorrow afternoon. Meg, there is so much to do, to do about the play for Christmas night, said Joe, marching up and down, and with her hands behind her back and her nose in the air. What about Joe? Joe want to join play for Christmas, planning Christmas drama, Christmas night, and she was marching up and down. Marching means यहाँ से वहाँ घूमना टहलना, with her hands behind her back and her nose in the air. Her nose in the air. I don't mean to act more after this time. And she said that Joe said that I don't mean to act anymore for this. I am getting too old for such things. Observe. And she said that I am getting old for such things. But having all that, she wear like a child. She wear like a child. बच्चों जैसा पोशाक, बच्चों जैसा ड्रेस उसने किया हुआ था. And Meg, observe Meg, who was much a child as over dressing up frosting. Dressing up frosting means जैसे कि हम बच्चे खेल में जो गुड़िया को कपड़े पहनाते हैं, बच्चों जैसे कपड़े, उस तरह के उसने कपड़े पहने हुए थे. But she was telling that she don't want to be like a childish. She said that all our things are like a childish. ये सब बातें कैसी बच्चों जैसी बातें. And actually she dress up like a child. Okay, you won't stop. I know. As long as you can trail round in white gown with your long hair down and wear gold paper jewelry, you are the best actress we have got. What the Meg said here. And there will be an end of everything if you quite be bored. What the meaning of bored? Bored means here play. And when she said that I am got so bored from this play, and her sister said that you look like when you wear a round gown, white gown with your long hair, and when you make it free and wear gold paper jewelry, जब तुम किसी एक्ट्रेस से कम नहीं लगती. She prepares her sister. वो अपने बहन की तारीफ कर रही थी कि तुम कोई एक्ट्रेस से कम नहीं लगती. You are look like we all are very happy that you are my sister because you are look like a actor. हम बहुत खुश हैं कि तुम हमारी बहन हो because you are like a actor. Said Joe. Be out the rehearse tonight. Be out to rehearse tonight. Rehearsal tonight. Rehearsal means play की practice करना यहाँ पे. Be out to rehearsal tonight. Come here, Ami, and to do fetting scenes. Fetting scenes means Ami तुम्हें क्या करना है? Fetting scenes means आपको बेहोशी का नाटक करना है. For your and stiff a poker in that. And for you are as a strip as a poker in that. जैसे कि एक स्ट्रिप पोकर में बोलेंगे यहाँ पर पेंटिंग, जैसे एक मूर्ति होती है, मूर्ति पेंटिंग स्टैचू जैसा तुम्हें खड़ा करना, लाइक अ पेंटिंग. देन आई डोंट सी how you can write and act such splendid things. I don't see how you can write and act such splendid things, Joe. And she said, I may say that, I don't think, I mean, जो तुम इतना कैसे कर लेती, इतनी क्रिएटिव तुम कैसी हो कि जो तुमने इतना अच्छा बढ़िया एक्ट लिखा है, सब एक में की तारीफ करें. तो क्या ठीक है, सब एक में की तारीफ करें. कोई किसी को एक्टर्स बोल रहा है, कोई किसी को राइटर बोल रहा है, कोई किसी की खूबसूरती की तारीफ कर रहा है, कोई किसी के लिखने की तारीफ कर रहा है. यू आर रेगुलर शेक्सपियर. यू आर रेगुलर शेक्सपियर. तुम जैसी, तुम्हारा लिखना कैसा है? यू राइट लाइक अ शेक्सपियर. एक्सक्लेम बेथ. बेथ से यू आर लाइक अ शेक्सपियर. Who firmly believe in that her sister were gifted with wonderful genius in all things. And they all are happy, they all are thinking that every sister, each sister have a different quality from each other, and they are feeling so happy that having all that types of sisters. Please buy her sister's complaint. Please buy her sister compliment. Please, her sister compliment means यहाँ पे उसने compliment दिया. She was pleased. She all are that they all were pleased. वो सब खुश थे. जो got ready to play in a part of her favorite play is that a dagger that I have seen before. Dagger. Dagger like a sharp pointed sword, like a knife, it's like a knife. And when she started, got ready for the play, part of favorite play is, and she said that when she saw that there is a dagger, she said that, is that dagger that I see before me? She muttered means यहाँ पे मुंह के मुंह में बड़बड़. Muttered means कान में खुसफुस करते हो, खुसफुस बिस्तर. It's mean that बिस्तर. Okay. And what happened here? She muttered, rolling her eyes and clutching to the air. She had seen a famous tragedian do. And she muttered and she rolled her eyes. मतलब उसने अपनी खुद की आंखें घुमाई. वो जैसे उसने वो छुरी देखी, डेगर देखा, and she muttered and she rolling her eyes. उसने खुद की अपनी आंखें घुमाना शुरू की. आप लोग भी करते हैं कभी-कभी आंखें घुमा के देखते हैं. Just try. No, it's not toasting frog. No, it's the toasting frog. It's a toasting frog. एक है frog है, toasting frog. टोस्ट को फ्रॉग, टोस्टिंग फ्रॉग. इट्स अ टोस्टिंग फ्रॉग. गरम करने के लिए जो फ्रॉग यूज करते हैं हम खाने के लिए, इट्स लाइक अ फ्रॉग. जैसे हम टोस्ट पर जो बटर लगाने के लिए यूज करते हैं ना, इट्स अ टोस्टिंग फ्रॉग. उसने बोला कि वो तेज धारदार छुरी नहीं है, ये जो it's a simple that we use for buttering on bread. Toasting. It's a toasting frog with mother shoes on its inside the bread. Stage stuck. Cried Meg. The rehearsal ended in general burst of together. And after that, when they complete their rehearsal, after that they burst of laughter. जोर से सब मिलकर जोर से हंसना, हंसी के फुहारे उठना. Burst of laughter, laughing together. Burst of laughter means laughing loudly together. Okay. No, it's not glad to find you so many, my girls. when their mother came to that house and at a time they stopped their rehearsal because it was surprise for their mother. When their mother came to house at a time they stopped their rehearsal and started to laughing when their mother came at home, when she saw that all her daughters are enjoying. At the time she said that, "Glad to find you so merry, my girls," said the cheery voice at the door. An actor and audience turned to welcome a tall, motherly lady with a "Can I help you?" look about her, which was truly delightful. And when she said that, "I'm very glad to see you together," at a time all that girls turn like audience when someone's give a guest appearance in that in any program like that. When the big star came in any program, when we turn like that to see very eagerly to that person, as the same way that all that girls are ready to see their mother like audience, and their mother is like a star. She was not elegantly dressed out, but noble looking, and she doesn't elegantly means not good, not so proper. Not so proper. Elegantly means not so proper. Her mother not dressed so proper, but no, a noble looking woman. But having she wear simply look. She wear simple dress, but she look like a noble. She looked like a noble woman. And the girls thought the grey cloak and unfashionable bonnet covered the most splendid mother in the world. And she said that her dress grey cloak, she wear a grey color dress, and it's that winning, that's like a winning gown. And she compared that bonnet क्या होता है, कार के आगे का जो हिस्सा होता है, जिसका फ्रंट, कार के आगे का जो फ्रंट होता है, it's called bonnet. And she said that it's like a mother look like a, that dress look like a bonnet, and she covered with that bonnet the most splendid mother in the world. And when she wore a simple dress in grey color, she looking a most splendid mother in the world. दुनिया की सब में खूबसूरत ममा, सब में खूबसूरत स्प्लेंडिड मतलब सब निछावर कर देने वाली मदर वो लग रही थी. Well there is मेरी प्यारी बेटियों, we have you got on today. There was so much to do, getting the boxes ready to go tomorrow, that I didn't come home to dinner. What she said that there was so much to do, getting to boxes ready to go tomorrow. कल बहुत सारा काम था मेरे पीछे, बहुत सारे काम मुझे करने पड़े. I didn't come home to do dinner. इसी वजह से मैं कल डिनर के लिए घर पे नहीं आ पाया. Has anyone called Beth? How is your cold, Meg? किसी ने बेथ को कॉल किया, बताया? How is your cold, Meg? Meg, तुम्हारी सर्दी कैसी है, तुम्हारी ठंड कैसी है, तुम्हारी सर्दी कैसी है? You look tired to death. Come and kiss me, baby. And she said to Joe look like very tired to death. जैसे लग रहा था कि जैसे कि तुम इतनी बीमार हो कि जैसे एक बेजान लाश की जैसे लग रही हो. My baby, just come and kiss me. While making this maternal inquiries मतलब मम्मी की जो इंक्वायरी थी. मम्मी is always want to know about all of things that you done in a day. मम्मी ऐसी होती है कि जो आपसे हर चीज के बारे में, आपकी हर चीज के बारे में जानकारी रखती है. And the same like that, her mother was maternal inquiries. मम्मी की जो inquiries होती है. Mrs. March got here at things off her warm slipper and she sitting down in easy chair. उसने क्या किया, मम्मी ने उसकी जो सर्दी से बाहर से जो उसके शूज थे वो बाहर निकाल दिए और घर में की गर्म घर में के गर्म जो शूज थे, जो घर में पहनने के शूज थे, वो उन्होंने वार्म शूज पहन लिए। एंड शी sitting down on easy chair, drew Amy to her lap, preparing to enjoy the happiest hour for her busy day. When she take Amy to her lap means बच्चे को अपने गोद में लेना. When she take Amy in her lap, at that time she forget all that weakness of that she done work, and that she feel not well. At that time she feel very happy when she took her daughter in her arm. The girls flew about means girls flew about मतलब गड़बड़ करना, फटाफट काम करना, trying to make things comfortable. and एक साथ लड़कियों ने कैसे की, गड़बड़ कर दी, काम को फटाफट जल्दी से जल्द कंप्लीट कर ली. The parlor and the kitchen quietly and busy. Here parlor between. Okay, sorry for. The girls flew about trying to make things comfortable, each of her own way, and each girl was trying to do better for that, making their surprise like a surprise. Meg arranged the tea table. Joe brought wood and set chairs, dropping over, turning and clattering everything she touched. And everyone was busy in their work. यहाँ से वहाँ, वहाँ से वहाँ, यहाँ से सामान उठाना, यहाँ से रखना, सब चीजों की उथल पुथल घर में शुरू हो गई थी. And it was sound that clattering. जो हम सामान चीजें घर से इधर से उधर उठाते हैं ना, तब जो आवाज होता है, it's called clattering. Beth trot to the fro between the parlor and kitchen. Trotted यहाँ पर trotted का मतलब होता है खेल में काम करना, कभी मस्ती के मूड में काम करना. Trotted means मस्ती के मूड में काम करना. Working with happy, कुछ बहुत भी बड़ा काम हो लेकिन फ्री माइंड से हैप्पीली वर्क करना. Quite she and busy while Amy gave direction to everyone. As she sat with her hands folded. And next, as they gathered about the table, Mrs. March said with a particularly happy face, "I have got a treat for you after supper." And what she said that Mrs. Marley said that I have a surprise party, I have a gift surprise for all you have after supper. रात के खाने के बाद आप सबके लिए मेरे पास एक सरप्राइज है. And the quick bright smile went around like a streak of sunshine. उसी समय क्या हुआ, सबके चेहरे पर एक स्माइल आ गई. What was the reason behind that smile? All the girls were thinking that they want to make to their mother so happy, and the same manner, their mother also want to make to their daughters happy, and that's why they give a big smile on their face. What happened here again? A quick bright smile went on their stick of sunshine. Beth clapped her hands regardless of a biscuit, and she held the toast of her napkin, crying, "A letter, dear, cheers for later." And at the same time, the letters came, and she clapped her hands without फेटल, बिना किसी परवाह किए, चाय बिस्किट जो वहां पर गिरने वाले थे बिना उसकी परवाह किए, she clapped and she said that later there are 3 cheers for father. अब क्या करना है, फादर का पापा का लेटर है, and cheers for our father. Yes, a nice long letter. He is well and think he shall get through the cold season better than we fear. And in the letter was the father write that he will be, don't be fear for me, I will be handle it very well, that cold season I will handle it very well, don't be fear for me. मेरी चिंता मत करो, मैं इस सीजन को अच्छे से हैंडल कर लूंगा. He sent all sorts of loving wishes for Christmas and special message to you girls, said Mrs. March. Mrs. March says that he is sending a lots of love and warm wishes for Christmas for you, dear girls, and he also write a special letter, special message to you girls, said March, patting her pocket and as if she had got a treasure here. And she is patting means थपथपाना, she patting her pocket, उसने अपने पॉकेट को थपथपाया, that she want to show that there is a treasure in her pocket, जैसे कि कोई खजाना मिल गया हो, उस तरह से वो अपना पॉकेट थपथपा रही थी. I think it was so splendid of father to go as chaplain. Chaplain means Christian priest or minister who works is an institution, like a minister. Chaplain means here minister. I think it was splendid of father to go as chaplain. She said that our father worked like a minister. When he was too old, be selected for military service. When drafted means her father was selected for military service and not strong enough for a soldier, said Maggie Warming. And she said that her father is not strong. She said that her father is not strong that he selected for that military service. हमारे पापा तो इतने strong नहीं है, फिर भी वो military service में आ गए. What next here? Don't wish I could go as drummer or nurse so I could be near him and help him, exclaimed Joe with a groan. Groan means with sad sound. Okay, she said with groan, with a sad sound. She said that I wish I could go as drummer or nurse. अगर मैं ड्रमर बन के या नर्स बन के वहां पे जाती तो मैं अपने फादर को क्या करती, हेल्प करती. She was wishing like that she could be there. It must be very disagreeable to sleep into tent. किसी को पसंद नहीं होगा disagreeable. No one will like to sleep in a tent. Eat all sort of bad tasting things and drink out of a tin mug. Sign Annie. I mean बोला कि it was so disagreeable that sleeping in tent and drinking water with mug and tasting and eating different types of food that most of them that don't have a tasty, eating not tasty food. When he will become home, mommy asked Beth with a little quiver in her voice. Not for many months, dear. Unless he is sick, he will be stay and do his work faithfully. And her father don't like to come at home when he was feeling not well. He worked faithfully, having all the difficulties. If he didn't feel so good at a time, he don't want to came to home because he is faithful. He is done his work faithfully. Before that, he done his work faithfully. उसके पापा जो है उनको अपना काम अच्छी तरीके से करना पसंद है. When he will become home, okay. Not for many months, dear. Unless he is sick, he will be stay and do his work faithfully as long as can he, and we won't ask for him back a minute sooner than he can be spared. Now come and hear the letter. And मम्मी बोलती कि उनको अपना काम छोड़ के वापस आना पसंद नहीं है. He don't